I've moved the side piece to a vertical position now so I can work and clean up these inside areas here. I hope you can see this cut line 3/16 off this edge here, and it's important that I get all this material removed back to that line so I can put the chisel right in that cut. And that gets me back to where I have to have it. I've also done a little bit of cleanup with these angled chisels. I have to have both angles here so that I can get back in here, back in these corners, and clean up that area back there. Let me stick the chisel into that cut line. And then I can cut in straight back. And have a clean area there. Now I still have to clean up the sides quite a bit. You can see where the saw cut, and I got to get back to that like that. So that's a big part of the cleanup on these pins. Whew. Trying to take off too much. Now you can see how this angle fits right back in that corner. That's going to be important for these to fit. So you can see where I'm headed here. There's still more cleanup. I'll have to, perhaps you can see these cut lines on the top surface of the pins. That waste is going to have to be removed for it to fit into the sockets.